Welcome to Jesse Panda 10. Today, guys, we have something very special to show you. If you want to take a look down here, it sticks out with the blue. We've got some brand new BFGs. So this is the KO2 version. It's the identical tire to the previous one that we had on here. But believe it or not, the KO2s that we had on from the last time, we didn't know this really until they told us today. They were 10 years old. So they were totally dry rotted out of their minds. We are going to go pick those up from Sam's Club. But if you want to take a look down here, you can see that we have this wheel sanded down. What we are going to do is we're going to go to Walmart, grab some spray paint. We're going to paint these things red. So they're going to stand out like crazy. And we are going to be putting the finishing touches on this thing to make it the Jurassic Park Jeep. We're going to be sanding it down, painting it red, and we're just going to hook up the trailer now to go grab the tires. Catch you then. Back. So we have the wheels and tires off of the Jeep, as you can tell. Here we have it up on the jack. The entire underneath is now painted completely black. We've got shocks, the springs, everything completely black. You can see that we've got the fender repaired. The Jeep looks a little strange because it has no wheels. But if you look over here, we have all 5 wheels being painted. So we got the brand new tires today. We got those mounted and balanced at the Sam's Club. And now we've got the wheels off the Jeep. We're getting them painted red. We went to AutoZone, we went to O'Reilly's, we went to Walmart just to get all these spray paint cans. So we ended up getting Rust-Oleum. It's like sunrise red. We've got some clear coat. Both of those are on there on all of these. So they should be looking good. This is so that we can get the Jurassic Park look. One of these days I'm going to be going online to get some of the original sand beige, and when we do that, the entire Jeep is going to have a total remodel. But we first need to finish the body work. We can head back over there if you want. So we have some rough patches that we still need to sand down and get some final Bondo. Like, I mean, if you come over here, even the guy at Sam's Club today was like, oh man, who did the body work on here? So we're going to be sanding it down, putting some Bondo, making sure it's nice and smooth. We're going to put the fender flares back on because we have to paint the fender flares along with the entire Jeep. If you come over here, we're going to sand all of this down where we had primer and we just shot some paint. We're going to be getting some new stickers, and hopefully we get it all done before I leave. But I will catch you guys when we're back to that. So catch you guys on the next one.